Hey fam, balance is more than just physical. It's the foundation for feeling steady and strong in everything we do. Today's 5-minute routine is here to gently stretch your body and calm your mind. Perfect for mornings, post-workout cooldowns, or even a midday reset. This flow will leave you feeling grounded and energized. No equipment needed, just a mat or a soft surface and a willingness to move. By the end of these 5 minutes, I promise you'll feel more centered, flexible, and ready to take on the rest of the day. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by grounding ourselves. Think of child's pose as your anchor, a safe harbor to reconnect and breathe deeply. Begin on all fours, then bring your big toes together and widen your knees. Sit your hips back towards your heels and stretch your arms forward, lowering your forehead to the mat. Take slow, steady breaths as you relax into the pose. This pose releases tension in your lower back, opens up your hips, and helps calm your mind. By the end of the stretch, you'll feel grounded and more at ease. If your hips feel tight, place a cushion between your thighs and calves for extra support. For a deeper stretch, extend your arms forward and press your palms to the mat. Take one more deep inhale, then gently come back to all fours to prepare for our next move. Now, let's add some stability and strength to our flow. Bird dog is like a gentle wake-up call for your core and balance. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back. Keep your back flat and your hips level. Inhale as you stretch long. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. This stretch strengthens your core, stabilizes your lower back, and improves your balance. It's a fantastic way to start activating your body gently and mindfully. If balancing feels challenging, keep your back foot on the ground for extra stability. Want to make it harder? Pause at the top of the stretch and hold for a few extra seconds. Take one last inhale to stretch long, then return to all fours as we switch to the other side. Let's balance things out on the left side. This is your chance to focus on symmetry and alignment. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg straight back, creating a long line from your fingertips to your toes. Inhale to reach. Exhale to draw your elbow and knee together underneath. Move slowly and with control, letting your breath guide you. Bird dog not only strengthens your core and improves coordination, but also promotes a sense of balance and body awareness. By the end of the stretch, I promise you'll feel more aligned and steady. Struggling with balance? Keep your toes on the ground. To intensify, hold each stretch a little longer before bringing your elbow and knee together. Come back to all fours and let's flow into a dynamic movement to open up your whole body. Ready to wake up your entire body? This flowing combination stretches everything from your hamstrings to your chest. Start in downward dog by lifting your hips high, pressing your heels toward the floor, and lengthening your spine. Inhale as you flow forward, lowering your hips and lifting your chest into cobra stretch. Exhale as you glide back into downward dog. This dynamic flow improves flexibility in your spine, shoulders, and legs, while promoting circulation and relieving stiffness. It's a perfect way to bring energy and fluidity into your body. If downward dog feels too intense, bend your knees slightly or keep your heels lifted. For cobra, lower your elbows instead of fully extending your arms. To take one more fluid flow, then gently lower yourself to a kneeling position as we move into the final stretch. Let's finish with a stretch that creates length and space through your entire side body. Think of this as the cherry on top of your flow. From a kneeling position, step your right foot out in a low lunge. Rest your right forearm lightly on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching towards your left side. Breathe deeply, swinging your arm. Then switch to the left side. This stretch opens up your hips, lengthens your obliques, and relieves tightness through the sides of your body. By the end, you'll feel tall, relaxed, and ready to move with ease. If kneeling feels uncomfortable, place a cushion under your back knee. To deepen the stretch, extend your reach a little further overhead. Come back to kneeling. Take a deep breath in and let it go. You've completed the flow. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've brought balance, flexibility, and calm into your body and mind. Remember, you've already won the day just by showing up. Consistency is everything. When the notification bell goes off, make sure to hit play. And the only way you can do that is if you subscribe. And fam, invite your friends to join the journey. Accountability makes it even more fun. And before you leave, I've created a free gift to help you level up your fitness journey. It's packed with tools to help you feel your best. Check the link in the description. Stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.